Hey everyone, how's it going? So, I'm looking up labor time to change a steering rack on a, what the heck year is this thing? It's a Toyota Tacoma. What year is it? It's a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. These are known for steering rack issues. So we got one in that's leaking. I'm not going to bother making a video on it. It's nothing really important because I doubt very highly we're going to do the job. But I want to show you something. And this is where labor times sometimes will freak you out. Like, where do they even come up with this? Okay, let me show you this. This is the system that we use for estimates, but let me show you something. So now here, if you look, steering gear complete, remove and replace. Okay, it has warranty time, pay 6.4. Now, warranty time is if you're at the dealership and you have all the special tools and stuff like that, and you're used to working on these vehicles. Okay, that's not the price you pay. That's not the labor that you pay working in a regular shop. This is what they up the labor to. Okay, 13.3, which to me is ridiculous. Now, let me just show you. Remove and replace, okay? Includes adjust toe, blah, 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 blah. Note, deduct 0.4 if alignment is also performed. I don't understand what that means, but anyway. Then it shows you down here, inline 4 with engine removed. Okay, that's what that is. But then if you look down a little further, inline 4, four-wheel drive without engine removal. $6.2. 13.3 with engine removal, 6.2 without engine removal. So my question is, why would you remove the engine? Excuse me? But here's the wild thing. Look, did you notice something? It doesn't show a warranty time for without engine removal. See that? It does not show it. That means the factory wants you to pull the engine out to do the steering rack. But when it says without engine removal, and it gives you a time, that means you could do that job without pulling the engine. I've done these before. You could do it without pulling the engine. So why is that even an option anymore? Why is that even an option? 13.3? I mean, that is absolutely insane. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that, just because this is stuff we have to go through on a daily basis in a repair shop. And it's like, you know, how do you justify 13.3 to do a steering rack anyway? How do you do it? It's just, you can't. Anyway, things we go through on a daily basis. Just wanted to show you that. I thought it was interesting. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.